Hi everyone, I'm John Newman, this is HowEasy, and today I will show you how to resize image. Enjoy! First, what you need to do is going under the video, click on the link for this website resizeimage.net, and we can start. So first what you need to do is upload an image. So easily click, select your image, what you want to resize, and click open. Now you can see our uploaded image. If you want to easily just resize the image, you can go down and here you can do it manually. Be careful about these options because if you had it set, keep aspect ratio, you will have all the time from your future image square. You can set your own pixels, like if I want 600 to 400. So I set it for 600 to 400 pixels, and now easily just resize image. You can check your future image. If you don't like it, you can easily close the tab, go under and make it better. Again, click resize, view image, and this looks quite better, but still 600 to 550 pixels, resize, view image, and for me this is good. So easily now I can share it by a QR code, you can send it to someone, he will download by QR code, or you can resize another image, or you can download this image. So I easily click download, you can see here, I can check it, and we have our image here. Last thing what I will do is check this image. This is my first image, this is my resize image. We can check it that it's more like before. Thank you so much that you watched this video. If you like this video, give me a like or comment this video or subscribe my channel or share this video on your social media. And we will see next time. Stay tuned because I will show you more life hacks with iMage. Ciao!